What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video we're going to be talking about arithmetic operations with NumPy arrays. So let's get to it. Alright, so in order to use NumPy we have to do !pip install NumPy 2 dashes upgrade 2 dashes quiet. So now let's run this. And we see it downloading here, so that's good. Next, let's import the NumPy module. So in order to do that, let's just do import NumPy as NP. And NP is just a common alias for NumPy, and programmers use NP in order to type less. So first I'm going to create two arrays. I'll call this one array1, and I'll set this equal to np.array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'll make array 2, which is np.array 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now let's run this. So we have our two arrays. And let's take a look at our two arrays. Array 1 and array 2. So one of the many reasons that we use NumPy is because NumPy allows us to do things with lists or arrays that Python just by itself wouldn't let us do. I'm going to make a new array1, and now I'm going to set that equal to array1 plus 2. And now let's take a look at this. And we get array1 is now 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In NumPy, you can add one constant to every single number, but you can also add two arrays together. So now I'm gonna do array 1 plus array 2. Let's run this and we get 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. As you see over here, array 2 is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the new array 1 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And when you add that, you've just added these two arrays together. And the same thing goes for subtraction. I'm going to do array 2 minus array 1, and now we get this. Likewise, we can also divide. So array 1 divided by array 2, and we get 1, 1.5, 2 and a third, 4 and 9. Next, let's try multiplication. Array 2 times 2, and we get 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. We can also do modulus, and modulus just calculates the remainder. So let's try this out. Array 1 modulus 2. So it's dividing array 1 by 2, and it's returning the remainder. NumPy arrays also support comparison operators like equals, not equals, and etc. So let's try it out. Let's do array 1 equals array 2. Let's run this and we get true, false, false, false. So the first value in both arrays is the same. Now let's try out array 2 is not equal to array 1. Let's see what we get. We get false, true, true, true. So this is just supporting what we found in the last one. The first value is equal and everything else is not. And now let's try out one more. I'll do greater than. Array 2 is greater than array 1. Let's run this and we get false, 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 false. Everything in array 2 is less than everything in array 1. So in Python, a true is equal to 1 and a false is equal to 0. So this way we can calculate the number of things that are true using the sum method. So now let's try this one. So I'll paste that down here I'll encapsulate that in parentheses, and now dot sum, and let's run this, and we get 4. Each of our arrays has 5 elements, so we know that because there's 10 total elements, and this compares the corresponding elements, so index 1 is compared with index 1. And this is the reason that we use NumPy, because it allows us to do so many things that Python by itself just doesn't. Well, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you the next time. Peace.